How to place stop-loss and take-profit orders? The take-profit stop-loss feature is a tool that may help you lock in your outcome and manage risks. It is especially useful when you don't have the opportunity to constantly control your trades. A take-profit is a type of order that closes positions automatically once a preset level of profit is reached. A stop-loss is a type of order that closes positions automatically once a designated level of loss is achieved. Stop-loss and take-profit orders perform the function of automatic barriers. Here is how they work. If the price of an asset moves in an unfavorable direction and the trade incurs losses, a stop-loss is activated and prevents a trader from losing the entire investment. If the price moves in a trader's favor, an activated take-profit order locks in the profit at the pre-selected level which a trader deems sufficient and acceptable. On the IQ Option platform, you can apply take-profit stop-loss orders to all assets that are traded via contracts for difference, CFDs, Forex, stocks, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. To enable the stop-loss take-profit feature, click on the Auto Close button above the Buy button in the right-hand side panel of the chart. Set stop-loss and/or take-profit values. Please note that you can set stop-loss and take-profit values in percentage or money, or indicate a specific asset price when a trading position must be closed. Press Buy or Sell depending on your forecast, whether the price will go up or down. The selected auto close levels will be shown on the chart for your convenience. Have a pleasant trading experience.